In this video, I'll be showing you the replacement of my ignition switch or coil in my 1998 FZR600R. Let's get right to it. I've been working on this motorcycle, and on the ignition switch, whenever I would start the engine on the motorcycle, I would wiggle the handlebars around and the engine would cut off. So that's kind of telling me that when I wiggle it around, these wires, they're messing up, and that's where I'm getting the cutout or the short. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that and see if that fixes the issue. Here's a quick video of what happens when I wiggle those wires around. Depending on the year of your motorcycle, you're going to need a T27 Torx bit, and there's going to be one on that side, and then directly on the opposite side, it's just going to be those two, and it should pop right out. As you can see, once both torque bits are out, it comes right off. Afterwards, you'll just remove the bracket that the fuel tank cover holds onto. It's two 10mm bolts. Just remove those and the wires will be free to move around. I did go the cheaper route and get this replacement part on eBay, so I'm pretty sure that's why the wiring harness is facing the other way. Shouldn't be a problem though. I ended up removing the two bolts to the radiator hose bracket because that gave me more room to get inside and actually connect this wiring harness. I decided to take a risk and I used scissors to properly seat the connector. I didn't take any video of a test drive as I don't have that kind of setup yet, but as you can see, I took it out and it worked perfectly fine. If you want to see more videos like this and watch the progress of this build, go ahead and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.